Package ni Amo. Para sa akin, vacuum. Second helper ko daw. Kasi yan yung first helper ko. Meron pa yung laba-plato. May second helper, robot na tagalinis. Vacuum. Vacuum. Robot vacuum. So, let's open it. So, let's open this robot vacuum. Ay, ang laki niya. Hi, guys. This is it. So big. So, let's open it. Yan. There's a wheels. And there is a roller. Dalawang roller siya. It's two roller for cleaning. And there is a wheels here. So can go around anywhere. So for sure it's all ready. It was censored. So I have here this charging. You can put this one. It's the cord. I think this one is filter. Okay. Of course, the manual. We have to charge it. So there is a instructions. So we have to place the charger into a charging station near at the outlet in an area with good Wi-Fi coverage. Keep the area around the charging station. So this robot need a Wi-Fi. So while this robot is working, you have to charge this charger. Cannot use it. So kailangan siya ng Wi-Fi. So that's it, guys. Ito yung robot. So ito yung first production ng robot na to, ng company na ito. It's iRoomba. So this is robot vacuum iRoomba. I put it back again kasi I need senior, my boss, to set up it in the application. So that's it, guys. Yan yung robot vacuum.